Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hi everyone, I Deepani Bhardwaj welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss weekly current affairs. So as usual, we'll be starting with all the important headlines which will be followed by all the important questions that belong to the current affairs of the following week. Fine, so let's start with our first important headline. The first important headline says Lewis Hamilton wins 2020 Eiffel Grand Prix. Now, you must be aware of Lewis Hamilton. We have been discussing about him in every month where he keeps on winning something or the another, isn't it? So, who is Lewis Hamilton? You know, he is a great racer. That is, he belongs to Great Britain and he uses Mercedes. So, Lewis Hamilton, using Mercedes from Great Britain, has won the 2020 Eiffel Grand Prix that was held at Nürburgring in Nürburgring in Germany. Lewis Hamilton equaled Michael Schumacher's all-time record of 91 Formula One wins on Sunday with an Eiffel Grand Prix victory that catapulted the Mercedes driver closer to a seventh world championship. Fine. Now, who came second? From Netherlands, Max came second, and from Australia, Daniel came third. So, this is the important one for you all because Lewis Hamilton has now equaled Michael Schumacher's all-time record 91 Formula One. Fine. So, this was the important headline. Next important headline is India re-elected as president of International Solar Alliance. Now, India and France were re-elected as president and co-president of the International Solar Alliance, which is also known as ISA, for a term of 2 years at its third assembly. So there were a total of 53 members countries and 5 signatory and prospective member countries participated in this assembly. Now, where are the headquarters of ISA? It is in Gurugram, that is Haryana in India. And who is the leader? The leader of ISA is Upendra Tripathi. Fine. Let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline is Kyrgyzstan's president Soronbay resigns. The president of Kyrgyzstan has stepped down after nearly 2 weeks of mass protests following a disputed election. The 61-year-old Soronbay has served as the president of Kyrgyzstan from 2017 to 2020, that is this year. He was also Prime Minister of Kyrgyzstan from April 2016 to August 2017. Now, the important things that you must remember for the examination is what is its capital? So, the capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. And what is its currency? Its currency is Kyrgyzstani Som. Fine. Let's move on to the next important headline. Next important headline is BharatPe launches 11 cricket stars as its brand ambassadors. So BharatPe brand campaign with record 11 cricket stars as brand ambassadors. So the new campaign will feature across the channels, that is the radio, TV, print media, digital, and will run throughout the cricket and festive season. Now, this team includes Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah. As you know him, he is a great bowler, and especially the death overs bowler. Then comes KL Rahul, Kulkarni Rahul. Then comes Mohammad Shami, Ravindra Jadeja, Suresh Raina, Shreyas Iyer, Prithvi Shaw, Sanju Samson, Yuzvendra Chahal, and Shubham Gill. The company is set to redefine the financial services landscape with its 4 TV advertisements designed to drive awareness around BharatPe's range of financial products from small shop owners across India, including QR based payment acceptance, no collateral loans, card payment machine with 0% transaction fee, and the exciting loyalty program. Fine. Next, Bank of Ghana wins Central Bank of Year Award 2020. Now, this one is very important because this award is received by the Bank of Ghana. Fine. So, the Republic of Ghana's Central Bank, Bank of Ghana, has won 2020 Central Bank of the Year Award. Economist Mark Carney, governor of the Central Bank of United Kingdom, Bank of England, has also won the 2020 Governor of the Year at Central Bank of the Year Award. Central banking awards are held annually to recognize the excellence in central banking community. And this was the 7th edition of the award, and the ceremony was held virtually. And this was held virtually because of the factor which every one of us know, that is the coronavirus pandemic that is going on all around the year, right from the starting of this year, isn't it? So please do remember, Bank of Ghana has won the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020, and economist Mark Joseph has also won 2020 Governor of the Year Award. So these two things are very important. Fine. So apart from this, now we will have the discussion on all the important questions that belong to this week. So the first important question is, recently who has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of State Bank of India? And the correct answer is C. Venkat Nageshwar. Fine. Next important question. India and which country have signed a statement of intent to support decarbonization? And the correct answer is Netherlands. So India and Netherlands have signed a statement of intent to support decarbonization. Next, recently, which edition of Indian Navy Bangladesh Navy bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar commenced in North Bay of Bengal? And the correct answer is second. So it was the second edition of Indian Navy and Bangladesh Navy's bilateral exercise. Fine. Next, Harvey J. Alter, Charles Ambrose, and Michael Houghton were awarded jointly the Nobel Prize in 2020 in which field? We have already made a lecture on the Nobel Prizes, and you also know that Nobel Prizes are very important, not only for the examination but also for your general knowledge, so you must be aware of it. And these are from which field? Medicine field. Next question. Recently, which country has decided to send first ever asteroid mining robot into the space? And the correct answer is China. So the China is the country who has decided to send first ever asteroid mining robot into the space. Next, which state or union territory has announced the launch of anti-pollution campaign Yudh Pradushan Ke Viruddh to reduce the pollution level? And the correct answer is Delhi. So Delhi has announced the launch of anti-pollution campaign, that is Yudh Pradushan Ke Viruddh, to reduce the pollution level. As you know that there is a very high pollution level in Delhi. Next, recently which airport has become the first airport of the Airports Authority of India which is entirely solar powered? And solar power is of extreme importance because there is only one time investment here, and there is no need of water or something like that from which the production of electricity will take place. It is the best, efficient and non-polluting source of energy via which electrical power can be generated. And for it, a airport who has become or which has become the first airport of the Airport Authority of India which is entirely solar powered is none other than Puducherry, which was previously also known as the Pondicherry. Fine. Next, recently which state government has announced Digital Seva Setu program for the rural areas? And the correct answer is Gujarat. So Gujarat has announced Digital Seva Setu program for the rural areas. Next, recently where was Quad countries foreign minister meet held? And the correct answer is Tokyo. So in Tokyo, Quad countries foreign minister meet was held. Fine. Now, next question is, recently right-handed batsman Najib Taragai has passed. He was related to which country? And he was the famous cricketer from Afghanistan. He has recently passed away. So, all these were the important questions. And one more question for you is, who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India on 7th October 2020? And the correct answer is Mr. M. Rajeshwar Rao. So, M. Rajeshwar Rao is the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India on 7th of October 2020, that is this month itself. So all these were the important headlines and important questions that belong to this week. In case you have any doubts, so comment section is available for you. So please do like this video, comment on it and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.